everybody, welcome to Yardie Belly's kitchen. Yeah, Yardie Belly TV. So today I'm on the road and I've been on the road all morning and I'm quite hungry. But I'm not the type of person where I don't buy food on the street like that. So I decided to I'm gonna make a quick stop at my local Aldi, and I'm just gonna pick up some stuff and see if I can make something real quick. I'm gonna head home and see if I can make something real quick. So this is a quick and easy. This is not gonna be one of those dishes that I do from scratch. I'm just gonna go in and pick up something and see if I can make something right quick at home. So come along on that journey with me now and see what can go on and see what we can get. Hopefully we get something nice and we can do something with it. Yes, I say. Do my curry now. I cut up 2 of the zucchini and I have the mushroom already sliced. So I'm gonna really need to cut them up. 1 onion, a small to medium onion. About 4 cloves of garlic. Baby carrots. I don't know if I'm gonna use the chayote squash or the chocho. My butter bean and everything ready. So pretty much we just gotta throw this in the pot and start with ball a rolling. Alright? Remember I told you. Alright, so I have about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in that pot. And to that I'm gonna add my garlic and my onion. And this is a stew, guys, so it's slow cooking type of thing. I just want these to get translucent. Immediately I'm gonna add my turmeric because I always add extra turmeric. Yep, looking good, looking good. I'm gonna add my garlic. Hear me. The mushrooms. Let me just wash some mushrooms and add them right quick before this thing start burn. Add mushrooms. Yeah, I'm just gonna make that go and do it thing a little bit more and then I start add more stuff. Alright, so my mushroom I do it thing, pot look nice. Adding some peas and carrots. Yeah, frozen peas and carrots. Yep. This is where you want to keep the heat relatively low, and you make this thing do its thing, you understand? You want it to do its thing. Yeah. Look nice, look nice, look nice, look nice. Looking nice, like a pound of rice. I may eat this with rice, or you can have it with roti or naan bread or quinoa. Or potato. You can use it as your main dish if you want. Yeah. Okay, so now you pretty much take the cap off your curry and you remove the inner foil, see, and then you're gonna sprinkle the curry on the inside. Yeah, and you're gonna make this cook, guys. You have to make it cook, so you start with that. Okay, this is gonna be a flavoring agent, you see me? So before you put in the water part of the curry, you put in this and make sure so this go through and cook properly. Now I'm gonna add my zucchini, and the zucchini has been washed and prepped. Yeah, you notice me not add no extra water, I just make it do its thing. Yeah, I want it spring it on water, I want it do its own thing before you add no more juice. Yeah. Wow, this looks nice already, folks. It looks nice already. Yes, man. Yes. I'm gonna make this go and cook for a little bit. Yeah. And then, you know, see what go on afterwards. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look good, look good, look good, look good. Looks so good, so scrumptious and mantadamus. When the camera now set good. Now I'm gonna add some liquid to the pot in the form of coconut milk. This is what I'm gonna use to deglaze this pot. Yeah, leave some for later. I want to add the whole at one time. Yes, sir. It look good. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Free up the deglazing process a little bit more. Yes, folks, it smells so good. You can smell the food, see? It smells good? Eh? I promise you, it look rich. See, it looks so nice. And it not cooked yet, you can imagine? Alright, so I cover the pot and make it cover and cook a little bit. And then I come back afterwards. Yes. Okay, so I'm ready for season up my pot now. I have some more onion, I have some cilantro, some thyme, because I can't left out my Jamaican thyme. Let me see if I can. Yeah, see, thyme right there. I have some more mushrooms. Yeah, because I like the crunch of the mushroom. I have some celery. And I have the butter beans. I'm going to start season up the pot now with all of these ingredients. Yes, time for food. Yeah. Alright. So now I open my curry. Yeah. I'm going to put in my curry now. And this curry is complete. You understand? Just I use the light. Anyway, stop. Yeah, it's a complete curry sauce and it's a coconut milk and thing. And as I said, guys, it's not a hard and fast because sometimes you don't really have what it takes right now for go cook no big dinner. You just utilize some store-bought stuff, and especially from stores where have good quality items you can fool around with. Yeah. So yeah, mixing my curry now. I have to allow this to cook. It starts smelling like real food already. Remember, zucchini can be stir-fried, it can be eaten raw, and it can be cooked in a stew like this. And this is the style that I'm using. Yeah, this is the stew version. Yeah. So, alright, I'm gonna add my little touch-ups them now. You know, put in my thyme. Put in my thyme. Yeah, me always pick off the thyme off of the thing, you know. Yeah, pick it off right there, and then yeah, I always do that. Some people throw the whole thing in there. Me pick it off. Right, so bear with me. That's my thyme, and put back in my onions. Yeah, put in my onions, put in my mushroom and my celery, and I wash my butter beans and I put those in too. See, you could have believed me don't cook all of this vegetable something. You don't really think say me don't cook them something in a life? Not in a life. But me I understand say it's good for you. And if you want good, your nose have to run. Yes. Your nose have to run. That's what my mama told me. So for the non-Jamaicans who don't know what that means, it means you have to sacrifice for something good. Yes. I promise you my food. It smells divine. And it looks even more so divine. Yes. I promise you. And now I'm going to add the remainder of my coconut milk. Oh yes, believers. Oh yes, believers. Come from the glory. Come from the glorious kingdom. Wow. Wow, wow, wee. Wow, wow, wee. I promise you, I promise you. I promise you. It's look good. Yeah, may I finish up and then play it in next. I want to tell you. Hey, add your one little seasoning, your black pepper, your salt, your this, your that. Add your one little stuff. May I put a scotch bonnet pepper and thing, and then, you know, finish up. So here we have our finished dish, guys. Yeah, my curry zucchini, butter beans, and mushrooms. And yeah, this is a little boy plate. Yeah, I'll just make it look nice, see him, because I don't want him, because you know, say a vegetarian something. Next thing him go warm me, you understand? So, hey, try it in your neck of the woods. It come out nicely. I mean, I tell you the truth, it wasn't that hard to do. It was quite easy. And as you can see, everybody like it. Hey, join me next time in the kitchen for more healthy, good food. And check out my description box and everything. And all of them, something there, something there, something there. And just continue to support Yardie TV. Remember, as always, live and laugh, cook and eat. See you.